Alrighty, we have it up. It's kind of working. I'm still gonna look into other things too. And they were trying to fix the air conditioner downstairs, but I don't know if they have. But the cool thing is, it's got a remote, and the light turns brighter and then off, which is cool. Hamburger and potatoes, yum. They fixed the fan now, guys. They had those other propeller things, so it's fixed, and they put it back on the table. So yeah, the fan is fixed. Hopefully it doesn't fall. They put it on there. Beautiful sunset. Look how cool it is. I got this yogurt ice cream for dogs from PetSmart for $10, but you only get 3. It is so cool looking. I'm so glad that Remy gets to try this. Vinny may try one, but I don't know. Today is July 4th. Happy 4th of July, if you celebrate it in America. Look, it's Remy. Isn't she cute? She's having her own, very own ice cream for doggies. Yeah. That good, man? This is strawberry, raspberry, blueberry, or something like that. They have another one with carob, that I'll get another time. But I wanted her to have this because it's so cute. I got it for like $9 at PetSmart. But sadly, you only get 3 in the box, which is fine. You're so cute, Remy. Good job. Now, if you have a large breed that likes to chew on cardboard, it does say on the box to like unthaw it a little bit and put it in the dog's bowl so they don't chew the cardboard. Remy's good. She doesn't chew cardboard, so that's why she can lick it from here. Perfect day for this summer hot day. We had a storm yesterday, and we're going to get another one today. Hi, today is the 6th. Her fur's slowly growing back. Don't mind that. That's there. I thought they were putting this away. The bike. My sister's husband's bike. And it's a beautiful day. The grass is going to be needing cut. Remy, what are you doing? Also, it's been raining the last couple of days. And it was weird not to see any fireworks on Canada Day. But there was fireworks on 4th of July, though, in Canada, which is kind of weird, but whatever. But yeah, leave it, behave. Look at all this stuff here in the garden. Hey, behave. There was lettuce. She got some lettuce, and some got rotted, but that's okay. I wonder if the tomatoes are done. Maybe I could pick one, even though I'm not allowed. But let's see. Let's see. Come on, let's look. Oh, there's green. What are these? Green? Oh, they're green. We need red. No red yet. Okay. Excuse me. What are you doing? Oh my word. Okay, so no red. Okay, we'll just leave those in. I wanted to pick some. Well, that's okay. Soon. Get out of there, ma'am. Hey! Excuse me, what are you doing? You're getting stuff that's rotted? Let's not. Out! Yeah, there's something in the garden that she's trying to pick. Look, Missy. You ate that squash that was frozen back in February that we found in the garden? And you got sick. So let's not eat stuff and then get sick. Deal? Alright. Crazy mutt. Crazy girl. I love you though. My word. Pool's gonna have to be vacuumed again. And add some chemicals so we can go swimming. yes. Maybe I'll do a swimming video one day. Probably not today, though. Like how I do exercise in the pool or whatever. Maybe. I don't know. But yeah. Remy, behave. But I love you. She does sometimes play with the ball, but sometimes she doesn't. So that's alright. Alright, this little blizzard is supposed to be a Smores Blizzard. I don't see any chocolate. The little graham cracker. Oh, the chocolate's there. Okay, so apparently it is a s'mores. It's melted. That's okay. Can you see the graham cracker, the chocolate? That's what it looks like. It's pretty good. First time trying it. This kind. There's the chocolate, everyone. It's a square chocolate and then graham crackers and stuff. It's pretty good. I probably won't get it again because I'm not a big fan of ice cream or Blizzard from Dairy Queen. But I got it just for the heck of it. Remy had some ice cream today, her doggy ice cream as well. But I didn't film it. But she enjoyed it. She's got one left. The only thing is, I mean, like, it's worth the $10. But you'll only get 3 in there. I wish you got 4, but yeah. Anyways, so my sister did capture some fireworks, which I probably already showed you that clip. But yeah, I think I'm gonna end this quick little vlog and edit some shorts that I'm like way behind on. So yeah. Anyways, Remy's cute. Alright, we'll talk to you guys soon. Hopefully we'll go camping in August. I don't think we're going camping this month. I was hoping for my birthday. And it would have been in a trailer. Somebody was renting off their trailer by the lake. But I don't think we're going this month. Hopefully next month, because we deserve to go camping. I love going camping in July. I was hoping, but we're not. And then also, there was a rodeo that I was hoping to go in 3 weeks, I believe. Probably won't be going, so yep. This year kind of stinks, but it is what it is. Anyways, I'm gonna end this vlog. Hug and love your pets. Don't stop believing stuff. Brace what today has to offer and every day.